each of us every day, literally can be touched by the internet in some way.
The thing that ties every area of our economy together is that we all use computers.
You have technology on the one side, you have the human on the other side.
A lot of what goes on online involves victimizing people.
As we deal with cyber crimes, we'll frequently have a single crime with millions of victims.
The UAB Center for Information Assurance and Joint Forensics Research was founded with the goal of providing research and development, as well as services and products of use to industry, academia, and law enforcement.
What the center is helping us do is understand the sort of dark side of the internet.
One of the things from the very beginning when we started considering the creation of the center was that we wanted it to be interdisciplinary. Mainly because we know that there are pockets of research taking place on this campus.
Where there may be special areas where your particular science applies, the area of information assurance applies equally to all fields.
The center is bringing together researchers like myself that study victimization to help us to understand how offenders select their targets. What kinds of technology do they use to reach this huge potential pool of victims? And if we can understand those kinds of patterns, then we can help prevent future victimization.
So we bring our computer science folks to this center. They have specialties in high-performance computing and in data mining and knowledge discovery and in natural language processing. We also have our criminal justice program. In criminal justice, we have not only the criminology and the policing, but we have the forensic chemical analysis. How do we analyze drugs in the lab? Over in the School of Business, we have the forensic accounting department, as well as the MIS program. We have to design security in from the beginning. Then we also have the School of Health Professions. There are particular security risks that come into play only when you're dealing with healthcare records. In the natural sciences, the biology department, the chemistry department are areas where we have various aspects of the more natural forensics, what we call wet lab forensics. And then even in the psychology department, we have forensic psychology. All of these things come together to create a truly unique center.
A center like this with such varied partners gives you lots of opportunity to find out what people are doing and what the opportunities are for collaborating on a meaningful basis.
We're really working on technology that has a human impact.
Much of my research has focused on victimization. The project that I'm the principal investigator on is called Operation Swordfish. And Swordfish is a joint effort between UAB and the Alabama District Attorneys Association and the Alabama Bureau of Investigation. The project's goal is to give people an opportunity who have been victimized either through fraud or identity theft or other kinds of online economic-based crimes to report their victimization to us and then have investigators pursue an investigation and potentially a prosecution in their cases. One of the goals of the new center is public outreach. And Swordfish is absolutely an example of reaching out into the community.
The center provides knowledge and capabilities and resources that businesses can use to find ways to tackle these problems of security in a more efficient manner, more effective manner.
We need partners in order to be able to be successful. Partners bring resources, partners bring part of the solution, partners bring us problems that we need to solve.
We have geared much of our research to real-world problems. We very much care about translating what goes on in academia to what's really important to the outside world. And again, this center is an excellent example of our desire to do that and our ability to do that.